All right, so I'm doing a valve cover gasket on a 2UZ-FE. This is out of an 07 470, but it's the 100 series Land Cruiser. I'm also replacing the spark plug tube gaskets, which are these things. I've already gotten 1, 2, 3 out. I'm about to show you how to get the 4th out. So there's these tabs. There's 4 of them. And what you have to do is bend these tabs up like this. Then I'll take a brass drift or something and hit them back so they end up looking like these guys. So you can see they're bent back, and that allows the old seal to come out. And then once we get those bent back, what we do is we get a screwdriver and very carefully put it in between the spark plug tube seal and the retainer wall that it rides on. Tap it in with a hammer and then gently pry it out like this, and then you can pop them out. You really want to try to not mar up the inside of the wall, because the new tube seals obviously will ride down in there, and we'll clean all that up before we put the new ones in. Okay, so I pried this one out, or I tapped with a hammer on the edge to get it to move. You can see how it's cracking because it's probably the original gasket, and then you can just gently pry it out and it pops off like that. One thing I didn't mention is that these little tabs, if they're flat, completely flat, it's a really good sign that these have never been changed, because when we put the new tube seals in, we'll just tap those back down with the hammer and you'll be able to tell that, you know, somebody's been in here before. Like this one actually broke off when I tried to bend it back, which is fine because I've got 3 others, but that's it. So I'm gonna try heating these up a little bit, a trusty torch, because I don't want to bend the inside of or mar the inside of the seating surface. We'll see if it works. I don't want to burn the rubber out. I just want to get them a little warm, see if it makes them a little more pliable. All right, new trick unlocked. I mean, not really a new trick. We know that heat can break the bond or soften rubber, but I've never done this on spark plug tube seals, and it made them a cinch to get out. I didn't even really get it hot. Nothing started smoking. Just a little heat just to kind of break the seal and loosen them up, and they really came right out. Had them all out in about 10 seconds. All right, so I'm getting ready to put them back in. I've got a little bit of oil and a cap here, and I just dab it around in there, get some oil in each hole, and then I'm going to make sure that it fits inside here, get it nice and level and even, get a socket that fits. That one fits pretty good, and I'll just get a hammer and I'll just tap it in evenly until it seats, and I'll do that 4 times here and then 4 times in the other one. And that's it. You got to make sure these go in the right way too. See how there's a raised ridge right here? Raised ridge. So that ridge goes to the top, and then that flat surface with the little metal ring, that goes to the bottom. Like that. That's it. Pretty easy. I forgot to mention, when you're done, you need to bend your little tabs back. So your tabs here, just get your brass drift or whatever you're using and just hammer them, tap them back down. And while I'm back, just to show you kind of how these settle in, kind of tap around the edge like this, make sure it seats evenly. That one looks pretty good, and then you go to the next one.